Hi, this is John Mack with Full Sail University, and this is my project and portfolio for mobile development week 3 sprint update. So this week, the features that were implemented were allowing for cloud storage. So when a calendar item is saved, whether it's a new item or it's been edited, those items are now saved via cloud storage and can be automatically updated on other devices that are logged into the same account. The other main feature that was implemented was requiring entry of a parent code when adding new events and editing existing events, as well as deleting existing events. And this prevents the child from making unintended changes to their schedule. And then finally, we implemented a simple checkmark option. So when a child has a task that they are to mark as completed, they simply tap on that task and they get a gold star for that task for the day. That feature is limited to allowing the child to only mark tasks in the current day as complete to prevent them from moving forward and marking tasks as complete that they haven't had a chance to do yet. So let's just jump right in and take a quick look at the application. This is all functionality we've seen before, so I'm just going to go ahead and log into my test account here. And the first thing you'll notice when I log in is that we don't have to add events for the schedule to populate. We have some events already saved via cloud storage, so that is automatically downloaded for us. And you can see we even have images populating here as well. So our cloud storage will download those events and populate them with the appropriate image. So when we want to go to add a new event, we are prompted to enter a 4-digit parent code, and that is saved via the cloud as well, so that when you log in to a new device or log back into a device, your parent code will transfer from your account information. So we'll say we want to mark as completed so we can demonstrate. That event name is too long, so we'll say complete. So we can demonstrate the functionality that requires task completion. So we're going to go ahead and create that event. You can see this event is not marked as complete right now. When we tap on that event, now it is marked as complete, and it does lock you from being able to mark it as incomplete once it is done. And we can come down here and see when we try to mark events for tomorrow as complete, we are not able to do that because it is not Thursday yet. And finally, when we enter edit mode or parent mode, we are required to enter that parent code again. Let me show you how this is working with the keyboard. How's that? So we're going to enter our parent code again. If we do not enter a valid parent code, we are not allowed to continue. So we'll go ahead and enter our valid parent code, and we are in parent mode, which we have seen before. So we can delete events, and we can edit existing events. And then, of course, if we log out of this app and log back in, cloud storage will restore us to the state we were in the last time we logged in. And there we have it. That is our completed project for the month. I will see you next in the candidate release project so we can get this app up and running. Thank you so much for your time this month. It has been a pleasure, and I look forward to seeing what the rest of the year has to offer. Oh, let's take a look at our work logs. So we spent about 12.5 hours on development and coding this month, and we spent about 15.5 hours on research. The majority of these research hours were spent trying to figure out how to save, load, and parse data with Firebase services. And this is because I was taking a JSON approach to this service, and their new platform is actually not JSON oriented. It's a completely new data structure. And they call it Firestore. It's actually much simpler to implement. But my biggest challenge was figuring out that I was not working with JSON and that I was working with a completely different system. So once that was figured out, things went very smoothly. So now thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next video.